Can you imagine if it decides not to start? But let's see. I've ever been this nervous and excited at the same time. I'm on my way now to get my car finally on the dyno so they can map it for me and do some adjustments on the computer. I'm on my way now to the place. It's about 30 minutes away from my house. I'm on the highway now, just cruising. I'm a bit early, but it's okay. I think it was July, I was at this place and they were still busy building the dyno. Yeah, finally they are done, and I made an appointment last week to get my car there. Very excited, very nervous. I really hope my car doesn't blow up or break, or I just hope everything goes smoothly. And yes, let's see. I made it. I'm a bit early, but let's see. I wonder where I should stop. Holy crap, I just went inside. They are just busy with another car, but it looks so good. There's like a Volkswagen Scirocco in there, and there's some kind of SUV on the dyno at the moment. They are just busy with it, but yeah, the guy said I can film inside, so it looks amazing. Let's go see. Couple of days later now, I had the most amazing weekend. I just want to say, Jacqueline, congratulations again. You look beautiful. and we had a lot of fun. Obviously I don't have a lot of friends, but the ones I do, I enjoy them a lot. So her brother actually is also my best friend, and we also had some fun. So that's his pickup truck, and yeah, always testing the limits of the cars. GoPro doesn't have the best microphone, but I think in the underground parking you will be able to hear it.